Tell us on a stage. Girl, you better can cook. Think you there, you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. One in the kitchen, cause you and them no look. You better cook. Think you there, you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and...
So we all know Kim Kardashian. She is that mega famous socialite and star of her own hit TV show. Kim is famous for many things. Some even say that she's a marketing genius that manages to keep her name and her face so relevant in the media. Of course. However, it's their latest foray that has tongues wagging all over social media, over Twitter, over Snapchat, over Instagram.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Cooking
Look at
today.
this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Getting the plantains ready. Make some souffle. Okay, so my Jamaican nanny has taught me how to make all of this jerk chicken, jerk pork, and oxtail. We got the greens. We got rice and beans. Down today. We got rice and beans.
We got rice and beans.
No, keep no trouble up, no trouble up. Rice and beans.
Oh my God.
Has Kim Kardashian bitten off a little bit more than she can chew?
I don't know what kind of herb from Jamaica you've been smoking.
Tell us on a stage. Girl, you better can cook. Think you there, you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. One in the kitchen, cause you and them no look. You better cook. Think you there, you pay your pretty looks. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. One in the kitchen, cause you and them no know. Sunday morning you lay down in a bed. For you boil 2 banana, steam 2 fish head. You mad, but you want sausage and egg. Big man no want no bully beef and bread. First thing, make me get the fingernail clip. Stick, tall fingernail take a chip. Then do say you can't peel banana with it. What's dumpling? You better care cook. Think you there you feel your pretty look. You want live a restaurant and condone man back book.